Just take your time, count your blessings, yeah. Just lay right here for a second, yeah. It's a free world, let me get lost up in it.
So we'll talk about this later. I'm very excited. But what I really want to talk about right now is all this food I just got. Got some sweet potato pudding. I got some yams. They smell so good. And then I got what I normally get, which is curried vegetables with plantains. Oh, so my phone fell, but I just helped the delivery driver. I don't have my tripod. I just helped the delivery driver take my refrigerator up the staircase to my office. But I was like, it's 100 pounds. It's like 50 pounds for you, 50 pounds for me. And we thugged it out. So,
They also have Instagram profiles that consist of TikToks and ads.
There's a guy was he found reason to argue me down. Okay, that's the point where it was like 6'4", tall man. And typically when I tell you this brother stood 10 toes down, the thing that I was doing, I immediately stopped internalizing his argumentative nature because I realized he isn't arguing with me. He's arguing with Alex right now. He's arguing with his circumstances. He does not have a pillowcase that doesn't have a streak of black on it. And this is not me making this up. This is a fact. Mess up yourself. This is not having an argument. You, okay, you have big G on your head. And that's the truth. Learn about a person's circumstances. The more I release myself from basically every encounter that we have about me, and the less I feel like someone's actions has something to do with me. They know, sweet, you know? Say it's birth time. And that's what I want to go through. I'm gonna clean up my whole life. We did that. We gone back. We used the story. But I like to turn it into my studio. Things I know for sure. I've always been like, October 6th, not the first day that the stones thrown. Palestinian people have to deal with occupation. Do you not understand that that was a result of the actions?
Hey you guys, so we're getting close to the end of the video. I swear I filmed so much random content and then I'm like, my videos are going to be like 25 minutes long, or then like right now the video is literally 8 minutes basically. But here I am unboxing a floor fan to keep the circulation nice and fresh when we start growing these microgreens, y'all. I actually was trying to be, I don't know what I was trying to be. I thought I had some like advanced skills that day. So I was like, I'm putting this together without reading the instructions. But also before I finished my thought, look at this cute little fan attachment. It's like a baby fan. So I'm trying to unbox everything, blah, 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 and put the fan together without reading instructions. And this is a really cute part. Here I am thinking I'm not strong enough to pull it off, when in reality, take a closer look, Ariel. Yeah, come on. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. I don't know why I'm like narrating me putting together a fan. Ooh, look, okay. Screw, 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 twist, twist, twist. Yeah. Tighten that thing. Yeah. But yeah, I'm exhausted, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Hopefully we'll have another one very soon. Once we get started growing.